Hi there, it's me again, your host Thompson, and welcome to another video tutorial for Marksheet, an edtech software from Theta Digitals. In the last video, I promised to teach us how you can work with the school curriculum, the school syllabus. Where it's going to be a very interesting tutorial. Okay, so to start, make sure you're logged in as an admin as usual. Make sure you're logged in as the school admin, and just to tell you, we actually created few syllabus for you. You can just go to your academic curriculum. You will see some syllabus I've created. Like for instance, this is just as one CRS. Let's see, we don't have English, we have mathematics, we have PHE, but for some classes we don't have any of that syllabuses. All right, so you have to create this yourself. Okay, now the reason we are not creating for every subject is because some schools use Lagos State as syllabus. Some schools use their state syllabus, like Lagos State. Some schools use Lagos State syllabus, while some schools in Lagos still use NERDC syllabus, which is the federal government syllabus. So what we have here is NERDC syllabus. Okay, we don't have a state syllabus. So that is the reason we just actually imported a little, so you can just see how it works. But regardless, even if you are using Lagos State syllabus and you go to GSS1, you are seeing PHE, you can actually edit it here, all right, and change everything you have on the weeks. So that is something you can actually do. So let's go back to what we are supposed to do today. Excuse me for that. So to import your syllabus, we won't be writing syllabus manually, although there's an option to write manually. If you go to the syllabi, you pick your session, you pick your term, I'll be using SS1 throughout this tutorial, like I said earlier. And then you pick your subject. Let's start with biology. So you can start writing week 1, the topic, the subtopic. Now for the subtopic, like if you write definition of cell, then you want to go to another line. So you are going to put this semicolon and just space and start writing. Now when you save the syllabus, they will be on different, like you can see the instruction here, semicolon separated and same as objective. So once you're done with this, you click on add row to add another row. But I won't go through the stress of doing that. You can just talk to us, go to the support ticket, send us a message, tell us you need syllabuses for classes, list all the classes and all the subjects you need, and we get in touch with you. All right. Now for today, and also you can also create your own content yourself. Like you can create your own imports yourself. You click on the templates. It's going to download the templates just like we did for the student bulk import. So it's going to download the templates, then you can edit this template to create your own syllabus. So, but just for today, we are going to be importing from one of the syllabuses we have for SS1 class. So I'm going to pick 2026-2027, first time level SS1 subject. Let's start with biology, right? Then I'll go to choose file. Then I'll go to download school. Syllabus. Then okay, these are the syllabus for SS1 class first time, right? So biology, I'm going to double click on biology. Then you click on preview, then it is going to show everything you have there. Like you can see, recognize living things, characteristics and difference between living and non-living things. That is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Week 5 is midterm examination. Week 6 is cell and its environment, and week 7 is midterm break. Now this is based on NERDC calendar, that is Federal Government Educational Standard Calendar. And week 8 properties, week 9, week 10, then we have week 11 revision, week 12. So these are the 13 weeks, right? Now if I click on import, it has imported this 13 into our curriculum. Then how do we see it? You go to your curriculum, you go to the class SS1, you go to biology. You can see this is what we have few SS1 there. We did general mathematics. So biology, this is all just so recognizing living things, classification of living things and everything. So our curriculum is already there. That is just a simple way of working with your curriculum. So another thing is, if you feel like you want to add things to this curriculum. Now for instance, not all NERDC curriculum comes with objectives, right? They don't come with behavioral objectives. So you can decide to write this yourself by clicking on edit. Then you can put other subtopics as well. Maybe you want to learn other things under recognizing living things. You do that here, then you write behavioral objective, then you click on save, right? So that is just the way to use a syllabus to import syllabus. Now, another thing is that you can decide to override your syllabus. Like, override in the sense that you already have a syllabus, you want to delete it. For instance, if I come to this biology, I click on delete subjects, it is going to delete. Now, mind you, if I still go to this syllabus and I come to saved syllabus, I come to SS1, you can see that we have biology that is saved here. All right, so I can click on this biology and delete it as well, and delete the biology as well. So it won't be there anymore. So you can import another one if you have another one. So that is, and you can do a bulk delete. You can delete every syllabus for you. If I click SS1, okay, for instance, if I click all session, click on JSS1 and delete, it's going to delete all the syllabuses for JSS1 because there's no saved syllabus. We've not saved any syllabus here. It's not going to delete anything because we've not saved anything for any school year. JSS2, we've not imported anything. So if you've imported and you want to do a batch delete, a bulk delete, you can do that here by deleting syllabus for every all the syllabus for a single class. So that is going to be all for today. I know you might be having questions about this syllabus. You can put it in the comment section. I'll get in touch with you after you've asked your question, and please don't forget to follow us on this. So please follow us on this channel. Like this video, share it, and see you in the next video tutorial.